It wasn't fun. Okay, so these values, 4 and 7, are they r values or theta values? So you know that r is between 7 and 4. And what is theta between? Pi and 2 pi. So what's the description, what's the shape called? A what? Polar rectangle. Thank you. There you go. And we're going from 4 to 7. And it's pi to 2 pi. So it's this right here. Yep, that's a polar rectangle. So you're trying to find this area right here. In polar line, that's a polar rectangle.
Fun, like give you pi values for r.
Yeah, I mean, that would kind of be nasty and strange. Maybe. That's a great idea for me to throw at you guys later. Thank you for that. So 33 over 2, and then you just have what? 2 pi minus pi. So you end up with 33 pi over 2. Now, what could you do to verify this if you wanted to? You could just use the area function for a circle. It looks like it's going to check out. It looks like it's okay. Okay, so nice. So we're just going from 0 to pi over 2 of this. 1 plus cosine 2 theta all over. Yes, we're going to separate that. That's fine. So you end up with 8, 0 to pi over 2 of 1/2 d theta plus 4, 0 to pi over 2 of cosine 2 theta d theta. Is that correct? Right? So 8 times pi over 4 for that one. Is that correct? Right? Plus 4 times, and you have to integrate that, so it's going to be, that's going to be 1/2 sine 2 theta from 0 to pi over 2. So you end up with 2 pi plus, well, 2 times sine of pi minus sine of 0. What's sine of pi? And what's sine of 0? So what's that whole thing on the right turn out to be? Wow, you guys are really, really up today. So 2 pi. How do you graph 4 cosine theta? Right? That's how you graph that. And yes, it's r equals that. So how do you graph r equals 4 cosine theta? That's what you're asking when you did that original one. So this correlates right here. And then what does this correlate to? Right here. The average of the two. If you add them together. What? See how that's clever? Doing this one. Helps to draw a picture. Unless you can't, helps to draw a picture. And if you can't draw a picture, start doing substitution. Start substituting. I like drawing. Personally, it really helps me to see this. It really, really, really helps me to see this. Is it really easy to write these wrong? I mean, think about this. We were struggling to figure out, is it the left-hand side? Is it the right? Is it the left-hand side? Is it the right-hand side? And then what did Sapphire point out? X is always positive, so it has to be on the right. So r squared, r dr d theta. I'm just writing it separately just so you can unpack it later. Is that cool? We don't have to do it. I just wanted you to set it up. You can do it if you want to. Ooh, do it if you want to. Do it if you want to. Sorry, Jun. Don't want to anger Jun. Okay. Inside the sphere and outside the cylinder. Inside the sphere and outside the... What's the height function we need here? What's the height? You need both of them, right? So it's going to be... What's the upper one? Well, hold on. I don't want you to simplify this. Stay in XY Cartesian plane first, okay? Cartesian coordinates.
Square root of x squared times y squared.
So it's below which? So it's what's the upper bound for this?
1 minus x squared minus y squared.
Exactly, and then minus what?
The square root of x squared.
Yeah, there you go. Good job. Very nice.